balcony is completely run down, consisting of only dirt, dead plants and some random useless stuff. And the worst part, it's getting warmer now and I can't even enjoy the nice weather and sit outside. So in this video I'm gonna rebuild my balcony from this to this. And by the end hopefully be able to sit outside and enjoy summer. I started out by measuring the balcony and making a rough plan, which was totally not an excuse for me to scroll for hours on Pinterest instead of starting to clean this mess out there. Thanks to Pinterest, I knew it needed to contain some plants, a couch, some boho-like decoration, and it should feel like stepping into nature. Once that was done, I needed to start procrastinating, and even though it was pouring rain, started to clean. Needless to say, I've never cleaned a balcony before. As soon as that was over with and the weather cleared up, it was time for some shopping. We are now on our way to find a furniture store for all the furniture we need for our balcony, but we don't really know where it is, so we're gonna search for it and hopefully find some good furniture. But I'm not really sure how we're gonna get it all home because we don't have a car and you can't take a whole couch into the metro, but I guess we'll see.
Wagel.
So yesterday we worked until pretty late to get it kind of fancy here, but it's rained all day yesterday, so we couldn't enjoy our balcony, and also we didn't find a suitable couch for here, so we just ordered one online now, and until then we're just gonna have to sit on the floor. So there are only a few minor problems. The couch would have arrived the following day, but none of us was home, so they left us the sheet written on it where we can get it. The package consists of 2 parts, which individually weigh about 20 kilos and are probably huge. And we had no idea how far we needed to carry them. Also, we had a time span of about 30 minutes before school started, so yeah, that's exciting.
Up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
It's now a week later and we finally have time to unpack it now and build it up, and I'm really excited, so let's see.
And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
Raad mijn hand weer. Day 2 today and we're starting again. So there were only a few minor things left to do because as of now it didn't look quite as boho-y as I wanted it to. And then we'll have a cute little balcony. Alright, final touches. moments of losing all faith, many tears and blood, new knowledge of crafting and countless days of giving our all, let me show you the final result.